Little cloud.
Hello, my sweet little artists. Are you ready to draw something super yummy today? Yay! Let's start. First, I draw the cake shape step by step. Slowly, carefully. Wow, look! A big yummy cake is coming. Now I draw the drippy chocolate on the top. Drip, drip, drip. It looks so delicious already. Next, I draw the strawberry on the top of the cake. Round and cute. Yummy strawberry.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from above.
Now it's coloring time. First, I color the line inside the cake with red. Red like strawberry jam. Yum, yum.
Dreams throughout the night, magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams.
Now I color the strawberry with bright red color. Up and down, nice and neat. Wow, that strawberry looks tasty.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar.
Next, I color the cake part with light brown. Soft strokes, gentle hands. The cake looks fresh and yummy.
Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright.
Now I color the ice cream on top with brown color. Chocolate ice cream. Yum, yum, yum.
Hearts with fun and dreams.
Next, I color the chocolate sticks with brown. 1 stick, 2 sticks. So crunchy and yummy.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining.
Now I color the leaf with green color. Fresh green. So pretty.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night.
Now I color the cake cream with light cream color. So soft. So smooth. I want to eat it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams.
Next, I color the bottom part of the strawberry with pink. A little pink makes it extra cute. I take my marker again and I redraw all the outside lines of the cake. Careful, slow. Wow, now it looks clean and strong. Look at that! Our yummy cake is ready. Great job, my little artist. Say bye-bye to the cake. See you next time. Bye-bye.
What a pretty cake! In you go! Yay, all packed!
Hearts with fun and dreams.